Brow Addictions is a revolutionary product that brings you the luxury of eyebrow tinting from the spa to your home. Your kit contains 10 poly-coated sheets of paper, 2 pump bottles, 1 applicator brush, and detailed instructions. Each kit will provide you with approximately 10 applications, and each application will last up to 2 weeks. Before you begin the tinting process, you'll need to cleanse your brows so they're free of oil and residual makeup. Once your brows have dried, remove 1 paper sheet from your kit. Next, remove the cap from the Step 1 bottle and dispense 2 pumps of gel onto the paper sheet. Using long brush stroke motions, liberally apply the gel onto the brows with the enclosed brow brush, being careful to stay within the brow line. Be sure to cover all of the hair and use light pressure to include the skin under the brow as well. Wait 3 minutes. You may feel a slight tingling sensation. This is normal. When you've completed Step 1, wipe off the brow brush. After 3 minutes have passed, remove the cap from the Step 2 bottle and dispense 2 pumps of the gel on a clean area of the same paper sheet. Do not mix the 2 gels. Apply Step 2 on top of the Step 1 gel in the same fashion. You will notice the brow color will appear extremely dark. That's okay. The color during this step will look visibly darker than the final result. Wait 6 minutes. Once the 6 minutes have passed, wipe your brows with a moist cloth to remove the excess tint. If you wish to see a more dramatic result, apply again, or leave the Step 2 on longer. That's it! You've given your brows a premium spa treatment right in your very own home. Now you're ready to take on the world.